Welcome to our guide on lab safety protocols. Ensuring a safe laboratory environment is not just about compliance, it's about preventing accidents and mitigating risks. This video, guided by OSHA's standards, aims to educate on the significance of adhering to safety measures. Adhering to lab safety protocols is a fundamental practice. It's not just a regulatory requirement, it's about minimizing risks and ensuring a safe working environment for everyone involved. Ignoring safety protocols can lead to dire consequences, including chemical burns or environmental contamination. This highlights the importance of compliance and the severe risks of noncompliance. A proactive safety culture is built through regular training, audits, and the understanding that safety is everyone's responsibility. It's about fostering a mindset where safety is prioritized in every aspect of laboratory work. Safety awareness initiatives and recognition programs play a crucial role in reinforcing the importance of safety in laboratory settings. These efforts boost morale, increase safety compliance, and create a positive safety culture. As we conclude, remember that prioritizing safety by adhering to established lab safety protocols is essential for a safer, more productive work environment. Let's contribute to a safety conscious culture together.